What's going on, guys? It's your boy Skills the Barber, back at it again with another haircut tutorial. This one's going to be a nice, simple, but clean and effective one. We're going to be doing a Caesar or a one length all around with the lineup. Very simple, but like I said, very effective, and it looks very good. Alright, so first things first, what we're going to be doing is brushing the hair in the direction in which it lays, creating a nice smooth canvas for us to work on. Alright, so right here we're going to be using our JRL clipper with our one guard open, thus creating a 1.5. And we're going to be going with the grain, guys. We're not going to be going against the grain on this one. This is just the way he likes it. This is the way we're going to do it, giving our client exactly what they want and what their preference, meeting their preference. Alright, and if you guys don't know what the grain means, it just means the direction of which the hair lays. So, or the pattern of which the hair grows. So that doesn't necessarily always mean forward or down. You know, you can have your client can have certain areas that the hair grows to the side, or it might grow back, or or the whole head might just grow down. But if that's not the case, you got to make sure that you're looking and you're able to spot these areas, because if you don't, you will cut it shorter and it will not look right. Alright, so right here what I'm doing is spraying some spritz on his hairline, and what this is going to do is this is just going to hold the hair in place. This is going to, that way when I hit with the trimmer, when the trimmer blades touch the hair is going to retract. So by spraying the spritz, you're actually able to hold the hair in place, and you're able to clip every hair at its natural form. And right here I just whipped out the blow dryer just to dry the spritz, just to speed up the process a little bit. Nothing major, but a nice little trick to get by in the shop. Alright, so right here using my Andis Blackout T eyeliner, start at the top of the box, then I go down to the bottom of the C cup and then work my way through the middle and the top. I usually start at the top of the C cup where I'm at right now, then go to the bottom where I'm at now, and then meet in the middle. I'm a strong believer in having a destination point. It's always good to know where you're going, right? You don't just get in the car and drive aimlessly. You always have a destination point. Right here I'm just going to lightly touch the corner of this box. And sometimes I need to do that, I feel like, at least just to visualize more of what the side is going to look like, you know? Maybe it might be a little pet peeve I have. Alright, so right here I just turn my trimmer around, and what I'm doing here is just I'm freehanding, clipping off any little hairs that protruding out over the lineup I just made. I notice I'm still brushing at this point, very lightly, but I'm still brushing just to be able to take the hairs away that I already clipped off. Sometimes you can sit there trying to clip a hair off and you're like, man, what's going on with it? And it's already clipped. All you just had to do was brush it. And he likes his sideburns long, so that's what we're gonna do here. I'm gonna keep them long and square. And with the ear, I usually use my pinky or my ring finger to push the ear down and be able to fit my trimmer blade in there. Obviously using the corner of my blade. And with the back, I always usually start in the middle, work my way to the right, and I work my way to the left. In this case, we're going to be doing a rounded back. And as you can see, for comfortability purposes, we're going to turn our trimmer around and get rid of any excess hair that we have hanging around on the neck. And that's very important, guys. Very important. Same thing here, guys. I'm just turning my trimmer around, clipping off the little excess hairs. Make sure when you're working in the neck area, you're very light with your trimmer. Make sure you have a light touch, because this is a sensitive area for pretty much anybody. I don't care who you are. Your neck is always a little bit more sensitive than the rest of your head. Alright, same thing on this side, guys. Except the only thing on this side would be I'd probably hold the ear down with my middle finger or my thumb. Like I said, it's just little things that you can use to adjust to whatever side you're on, or things of the nature. Same thing here, guys. And I think over here I start off at the top of the box. Yep, and right here I start off at the top of the C cup, work my way to the bottom, and then meet my way in the middle. It's almost like having a point A and point B, right? Or you could even say you have a point A, B, and C. C being the top of the C cup, A being the bottom of the C cup, and C being the middle. You know, and if you're not comfortable with turning your trimmer around and freehanding like that, it's okay. I'm pretty sure I will be using my comb in here, and I will also show you how you can clip those excess hairs that hang over with a different method. A little bit safer. Alright, and right here I switched my trimmers up. I'm using my Wall T Retro. What I usually do is to start my way in the middle, work my way to the right, and then I go to the left. Make sure I'm keeping it nice and natural. And this is what I was talking about right here. This is another way you can trim these excess hairs instead of turning your trimmer around and freehanding it. Alright, and for the finishing touches, just using the straight razor here, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to stretch the skin, and I'm going to take small, quick, smooth strokes, going right to the edge of that hairline. And make sure you're comfortable, guys. Make sure your client is comfortable, but make sure you're comfortable as well. Make sure you're taking confident strokes with that razor. Can't stress enough how important it is for you to be comfortable to take a confident stroke. You know, find your angles, guys. Whether you guys gotta stand in the back, in the front, or whatever it is that you gotta do, whatever's comfortable for you. You know. I personally, when I first started cutting hair, I felt like I would make my life a lot more difficult than what it was. And right here, I just lean his head back a little bit just to be able to do his front lineup with the razor. And the razor sets all this off, guys. The razor sets any nice lineup off. That's definitely the deciding factor. Alright, right here I pull out my Paul Mitchell 6.5 inch shears, and what I'm going to be doing is I'm just clipping all the excess hairs that stick up or don't look like they fall in place, you know, little fuzzy anything like that. I'm gonna work my way throughout the head. Yeah, my brother right here, you know, he wants to be a waver, but he just don't got it in it. He just don't got it in him. You know what I mean? He don't want to put in the work, but he likes to think he's a waver. And this is one of my favorite clients. You know, since day one, and he walked in, conversations with this man have been amazing. And you know, he's became more than a friend, more than a client to me. He's became a very good friend of mine. And you know, I'm glad barbering crossed our paths. And this is all detail work, guys. If you watch my other videos, I talk about detail work and how it sets you apart from the rest. And this is what it's all about. Alright, so right here, I'm going to be using my wall shavers to get nice and close. So this is a Caesar, or some people like to call it a brush cut, or just a one length all around with the grain. Nice, clean, simple, and effective. I mean, look how good my man's looking right now, man. Man, and with this beat too. Yo, shout out to my boy LNSKY, man. Make sure y'all go follow him. I put his IG, his email, contact him for any instrumentals, any type of things like that. Holla at him. So with that, I'm signing out. Make sure you smash that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification, just so you can be up to date whenever I drop a new YouTube tutorial. Make sure you follow me on IG at SKYILLZ. Or on Facebook at Skills the Barber. Once again, I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Peace.